Apple ID verification code not received on Mac. Fix. Step 1. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for receiving verification codes. Ensure your Mac is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Verify your trusted devices. Apple sends verification codes to your trusted devices. Make sure the device you're expecting the code on is listed and up to date. You need to go to System Settings, your name, password, and security to check your trusted phone numbers. Step 3. Check your Messages app and notifications. Sometimes the code might be there, but you missed the notification. Open your Messages app to see if the code arrived as a text message. Also, check your Mac's notification center for any missed alerts. Step 4. Manually generate a code. This is for offline method. If you are already signed into your Apple ID on your Mac but need a code to sign in on another device, or if the automatic pop-up isn't appearing, you can force your Mac to generate one even if it's offline. What you need to do is go to the Apple menu, System Settings or System Preferences, click your name at the top, then select Sign In and Security. Click the two-factor authentication, then click the Get a Verification Code button. Step 5. Request a text or a phone call. If the notification system is failing entirely, you can bypass the trusted device pop-up and have Apple send the code to your phone number as a standard SMS or automated call. On the screen where you are prompted for the code, click Didn't get a verification code. Select the option to use a phone number or text me. Wait for the SMS to arrive. If it doesn't, ensure you have blocked Apple's automated numbers or enabled a silence in known senders filter in your messages settings.